All right. Next question is, how will maintenance updates and security patches be delivered to our systems? Is there a dedicated repository, and how does it integrate with existing package management tools?
So the principal way is the way that we were just talking about in one of the previous questions is we have a repository. You can install licenses, but we do have some other non-published ways. We can work with you on a case-by-case basis. So if you've got internal mirrors that you're currently using, and you're using Foreman or Satellite or similar type tools, go to our website, set up a meeting. We'd be happy to talk with you on a case by case basis. But we can easily say any way that you're consuming the packages within your infrastructure today, we can work with you to meet the same process and minimize the amount of workload that you guys need to do just to consume our services.
Good point.